Thanks for that, Sue. And you can rest assured that this debate will continue despite the vote coming down this evening. Stacey Delicat now joins us live with the local reaction to this vote.
Yeah, well, Tyler, plenty of people here at home on the edge of their seats as they watch this vote. For many, tonight was a major victory. For others, a jarring defeat.
What are we gonna get?
For weeks, they've worked the phones tirelessly, urging Arizona's representatives to vote yes on health care. And tonight, supporters of health care reform here in the Valley celebrated their victory.
This is our day. This is our magic moment.
It makes me feel really good, and most importantly, it makes me feel good for the millions of American families and businesses who are going to have the opportunity to provide their families and their employees with health insurance.
But what is a victory to some is a major defeat to others, not just Republican lawmakers, but to the vocal crowds who rallied to kill the bill.
We're not going to stop. We're going to keep fighting, and we're going to fight to get a representative in that listens to the people.
The bill now heads to the president's desk to be signed into law. But that doesn't mean the debate is over. Opponents vow to continue fighting against its implications, including Glendale surgeon Eric Novak.
The Arizona Healthcare Freedom Act is a constitutional amendment that will be on the ballot in this November.
Novak is the author of the legislation, which would essentially exempt states from federal health care legislation. The amendment says individuals have the right not to participate in a health care plan without facing a fine.
The battle to protect liberty and freedom and the rights of patients to be in control of their health and health care decisions doesn't end just because one bill gets passed 2,000 miles away in Washington.
Well, even supporters of the bill celebrating its passage tonight, including the local group Organizing for America of Arizona, who we talked to earlier, agree there is still a lot of work ahead. Meanwhile, we are getting some statements in from our Arizona representatives on their votes and their reaction to this vote. First, from Democratic Representative Paul Grijalva of the 7th District. He says, "I am proud to record my name alongside the many others who supported. It will save the government $1.2 trillion over the next 20 years and put an end to medical insecurity for 32 million uninsured working people." We're also hearing from Representative Jeff Flake, a Republican from the 6th District. He says simply, "There's no other way to say it. Today is a very bad day for limited government." We're sure to hear much more discourse in the coming hours and days about this historic vote. For now, I'm Stacey Delicat, 3TV.